Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this 43-inch Panasonic LED TV which came to us with a double image and picture color change problem. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly caused by internal shorting of gate signals inside the LCD glass panel. This shorting may occur either on the left side or the right side of the panel. If both sides' gate signals are shorted, then the panel is very difficult or impossible to repair. However, if the shorting is present on only one side, we can attempt to repair using the taping method. Please note, friends, this is only a temporary fix. The permanent solution is always panel replacement. Now you can see, friends, we have already opened the TV back cover. This TV comes with an LG Full HD panel, and in this model, the T-Con board is integrated with the main motherboard. Here you can see the gate signal tracks from the left and right sides of the glass panel. So, let's start the repair using the taping method. First, we will block the last 15 pins of the left side gate signal FFC cable using masking tape. After blocking the left side gate signals, let's turn on the TV and check the picture. If the picture is okay, then no further action is required. But if the problem remains or becomes worse, we remove the tape from the left side and repeat the same process on the right side gate signal cable. Now, friends, after blocking the left side gate signals, the complaint has become worse than before. So let's remove the masking tape from the left side and perform the same operation on the right side gate signal tracks. We have now blocked the right side gate signals. Let's turn on the TV and check the picture. As you can see, friends, the picture is now clear and normal, without any double image or color distortion problem. Once again, remember friends, this is only a temporary solution. We cannot predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck. So friends, I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get future notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.